What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be opening 5 Duelist pack Yuseis 2. And the only card I'm going to want is Assault Mode. I forgot what the rest of it's called. But it's a common card, so I hope I can probably get it. Oh. Foil on my first pack. Tuner's Barrier. And then 1/1. Oh, pretty good so far. Got one foil pack card already, so. And a rare Turret Warrior. Majestic Dragon. Oh, I got another Stardust Dragon Assault Mode. I got that card in the tin I just opened. I wasn't expecting that one. And Rockstone Warrior. Let's see what it tells me on this card. The card I wanted. Assault Mode activation. That's what I'm looking for. Another rare Turret Warrior. This last pack. Can't believe I'm not pulling Assault Mode activation. That card's like a common card. I don't know how I can't get it. Another rare Rockstone Warrior. Oh, there it is. There it is. I know it's a common card, but it's one I really wanted. I got it in the last pack. That was a good surprise. Another Rockstone Warrior. So let's go over what I got real quick. So I got 2 rare Rockstone Warrior, 2 rare Turret Warriors, and 1 rare 1/all. And then my 2 foil cards were Tuner's Barrier and Stardust Dragon Assault Mode. This is a pretty good pull, I think, for just buying 5 booster packs. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.